In this Photoshop tutorial, let's take a look at how to change default preferences in Photoshop. The first and most important thing is you need to close out of all Photoshop documents or just open up Photoshop without opening up any document. You see, any preferences you change when you have a document open change for that document, but they don't change your default preferences. So once we're here on this open or recent files and new file dialog window, any preference that you can change, whether it's the view dropdown and the window dropdown, anything up here will be default, what is on or off. And then if we go to Photoshop settings, any setting you change in here, anything you uncheck or check or make changes to the workspace or the interface, any of these options here will be the default options if we save them before we have a document open. So for instance, if you want the units of your rulers to be a certain thing for every document, like pixels, then you could set that here and hit OK, and that's going to save that preference across Photoshop for any new document you create. That's how you can save default preferences here in Photoshop.